Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to feature one of the hottest new hair trends that I have been seeing all over TikTok, and that is the 60s mod inspired pixie cut. Now this is a style for someone who really just wants to shake things up. It definitely reminds me of a baby mullet style, which is also known as the Pixie cut. It is one that does feature quite a bit of texture to it. So if you do have hair that is on the natural curly side, wavy side, and you are looking for a simple chic way to maybe do like a wash and go, or just something really just modern yet a nod to the past, I think that this would be such a cute hairstyle to try out. So here we have someone getting this cut. Now, one of the things that definitely makes this a very popular hair trend is, of course, the involvement of the bangs. Bangs as a whole are huge for hairstyles this season, but we're seeing them a lot featured in like the shorter looks as well. Very cute. So here, once again, she has a natural wavy texture to her hair. And it looks like she did dye her hair brunette or brown. A little bit of red mixed in there, but very cute style. Love the way that that came out. Once again, she also has textured curly hair, getting the trend. And you can try this hairstyle if you do have straighter hair. It might be a little bit harder to maintain. If you do want to give it more of that like textured feel to it, you would have to maybe use like some rollers or curl it to get like that natural flip that's usually in the back. But I definitely feel like this is a great style for the curly girls for sure. Very cute. As you can see, a lot of texture mixed in there. So the stylist is cutting her hair into the mod. She also had a natural texture hair to start off. Very cute. Curly mod inspired mullet. So there is the end result. So she has a straighter texture hair, so you can kind of see how this looks on the straight hair girlies. Still such a cute style. Her as well, her hair is more on the straighter side. Very cute. I feel like this style in itself is making the mullet cool again. Like, it's just such a cute hairstyle. And then she would also be an example of how the look is styled on someone with straight hair. So you can achieve that like texture through the actual cut of the hair if your hair is straight. I would definitely go to a stylist though that is familiar with this particular trend so that you know what they're gonna do and how it's gonna come out. Very cute. This hairstyle also gives like a nice little like rocker chic vibe. Like it definitely eats such a cute vibe. And I feel like it would be a really fun hairstyle to wear during the summer season in particular, because it seems like it would be pretty low maintenance. Like you can step away from the heating tools for a bit because it does have that like undone feel to it, so your hair doesn't have to be styled perfectly. So I think it would be a nice, messy, chic style for the summer. So once again, she has straight hair, natural straight hair. So the stylist is really doing the cut with more of a textured appearance, using the razor to really create that layered feel. Very cute. And then our last transformation with this particular trend, she does have this gorgeous red copper color. So she's really combining two hot trends and one with this look, the color as well as the cut. Oh, I love the texture that the stylist did here. Beautiful feathers throughout. Wow, gorgeous transformation. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look. What do you think of this 60 styles mod pixie trend? Is this one that you will be trying? Do you think that it is a chic nod to the past? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.